The Master of Science in Supply Chain and Operations Management is consistently recognized as one of the best programs in the world in its specialty. The cohort brings together junior and senior students from all around the world, creating a truly international learning environment. And the pedagogy goes all the way from high-level strategy thinking down to workshops and on application, including business simulation, group projects, and immersive industry experiences. Students will learn how to manage industrial operations end-to-end, covering supply chain, purchasing, manufacturing, risk and safety, project management, information systems, quality, environment, and new product development. They will learn how to innovate, leveraging Industry 4.0 tools, digital techniques, and intelligent transportation systems. They will also learn how to run a company, with courses in strategy, in finance, in law, and in human resources. And finally, they will learn how to operate in international business, navigating intercultural dynamics, geoeconomics, in a genuinely diverse, multilingual environment. One of the defining moments of the Master of Science in Supply Chain and Operations Management is the International Seminar, a few weeks spent abroad at a partner university or with local companies. Students travel to an international destination for conferences, company visits, and collaborative projects in a multicultural setting. It is a unique opportunity to broaden your global outlook, build an international network, and experience firsthand how local economic landscapes shape business strategies. Complete, international, innovative.